Hi, folks. This is your host Mandeep, and I wanted to wish all my subscribers a happy new year and hope you have a wonderful year going ahead. Now, I wanted to share that till the end of the week, I've actually decided to run a promotion on the Ultimate Trading Strategy and its associated products. So, if any of you are interested in getting this strategy, they can get it from my website, thebeardedinvestor.net. I'll put a little detail around the website and how to navigate to it in the description section. So most of you, if you followed my video, the flagship product that we have and that we end up using in the Discord room is the Ultimate Trading Strategy. And this strategy basically gives you, um, a set of scans that helps you select what stocks to trade, and then the actual signal gives you when to enter a trade and when to exit the trade. Now, a lot of the signals that you see at the on the chart and in the bottom section are not mandatory because all the signals that actually come from these bottom part of the section are all incorporated in the buy sell signal. Um, and one of the things that I've added very recently in the latest revision is the ability to run a report. So once you right click on the arrow and click on show report, then you can see the backtest results of this strategy. This strategy is assuming here that you are trading 100 shares, but you can adjust this if you trade more or less. And this is looking at data for the last 30 days. So it's 30 active trading days, not including the weekends. And you can see this has got a profit of $2,500. So you've got some wins and losses. And the current trade that's currently underway is profitable by $7.04. You actually see the profit once a buy or short signal is initiated. Uh, so likewise here on Adobe as well, and these are all trades that were initiated today. It went up $4.48. Granted, today was an exceptional day when the market really went up substantially. But the whole idea is that irrespective of whatever kind of trading day you have, you'll at least find a few opportunities in the the TC long section or the TC short section. So right now, since the market is mostly in the bullish mode, right, there'll be very few opportunities and sometimes none whatsoever on the short side. And as the market dynamics change, you will start to see more opportunities on the short side as well. So again, this is another great trade that actually, I ended up taking. I'm still long on the Facebook trade. It's currently profitable by $2.42. Same thing. You can click on show report, and it'll tell you, um, what the profit loss was. Now, clearly, not every stock on every time frame is going to be, positive. If any of them is negative, then you have the option of, trying a different time frame, and if none of them work, then that stock is perhaps not the best to use with the ultimate trading strategy. Um, I've also pointed out in the past, but I'll show it again. And this is the latest, greatest version of the ultimate trading strategy. It comes in two modes: an aggressive mode and a conservative mode. The aggressive mode takes like early trades. Conservative mode will wait for more signals to get aligned. You can also adjust the number of shares that you normally trade, so you can see the profit loss based on these many shares in that case. Now, if you go to my website, it's beardedinvestor.net, and you can go into the shop section that are listed on this section. So this ultimate trading strategy is normally $9.99 for now till the end of the week. I'm offering it at $6.99, and after that, the prices will go back to normal or even slightly higher since I'm adding new features into it. For all the existing users that have bought the product, one of the things I promised is that they will all get future updates free. So far I've done about 6 revisions to it, and those of you who've been with me in my Discord room have gotten all those updates at no cost. So you can actually click on this, and this will give you a video link here that you can watch. And there's also some other overviews that I've provided. and that's actually true for all the products that I have, right? So if you need to get a little better understanding, so fusion is another signal that I've developed recently, which looks at about a dozen signals that have been combined into um, one signal. So these are 12 signals that are looking at four sort of time frames, and based on that, if all of them are true, as it is in this case, then the top line is true. So you can actually take a trade and just stay in the trade as long as this color stays green on it. So there's three colors for the color coded bars here. So when it is yellow, it's neutral. When it is red, it's bearish, and green, it's bullish. So it's as simple as that. So typically this is offered at 499, and for now I'm offering it at 399. I also have the UTS for the mobile, and so this is something very useful for people on the go. So this will work on any device that supports the Thinkorswim mobile application, and I offer it for 399, and currently it's available for 299. And in addition to that, these three are basically column codes, right? So it's basically one of them is looking at the relative volume, and this is probably one of the best pieces of code that I've written, where it'll give you if a stock's volume for that part of the day is higher than the normal volume. So clearly, volume is what drives price, right? So if you can identify which stocks are exceeding their normal volume, then that gives you a better selection of stocks. So those of you who are interested or who subscribe to the GAN methodology of trading, I also have the GAN square of 9. And each of them, when you click on that, has a little video that will explain what the underlying method is for that particular signal. So hope this helps. It's just a short video, just more informational for people who were thinking of getting the ultimate trading strategy and now have the opportunity to buy it at a discounted price. So have a great trading year, and I look forward to doing more videos in the coming year. Thanks.